Good evening, everyone, or good morning. It's Muhammad Hamdi, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic for every dental practitioner or even every dental student should learn about this advance in dentistry, which is digital dentistry. Today, we are going deeper in digital dentistry. Digital dentistry, the main or the hallmark, yes, hallmark for digital dentistry is the CAR-CAT CAM. The CAR system, which stands for computer-aided imaging, CAD, which stands for computer-aided designing, and CAM, which stands for computer-aided manufacturing. So we're going deeper. Digital dentistry it is not only the CAD system. There are many advances in digital dentistry, but today we're going deeper in the hallmark for digital dentistry, which is the CAD system, and deeper into a tool used in CAD system, tool used for CADing, for designing for designing the dental appliances or for designing dental objects, which is Exocad. If you want me to talk more about digital dentistry and the variety of tools used in CADing, you can leave for me a comment asking me to talk about these topics. Okay, let's go into what Exocad. Exocad, if you're more advanced in Exocad, just be patient. We're going into more deeper and more advanced topics in Exocad. So let's start with the main page of Exocad, which allows us to select the client, which is the doctor who sent us the case and the ID of the doctor. We can just type the ID and here give us the name of the doctor, or have let's say we have a doctor named Dr. Abdullah, and the ID of the Dr. Abdullah is 29. Let's say the doctor, we can write here 29, and we'll choose the settings for Dr. Abdullah. Okay, we have already set it up. Okay, let's talk more deeper. Here's the name of the designer. Here's the name of the technician, ID of the technician, and there's here we can write notes for the doctor, or the doctor wrote us notes about the case, which is sent through STL file. Here are notes the doctor wrote us, or the notes we will write for the doctor. And here's the preview, 3D preview, and here's the action bar of the main page. Here's the design, which all of them are turned off because we didn't have a project until now, so they are turned off. The design selection and model creator, manufacturer, dental chair, copy, print, all of them have different actions. So and here's the teeth model in American system, numbering. No, it is in the universal. Sorry, it is in universal teeth model 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 and so on. Let's load a project and go deeper in the designing. Okay, Here we have, let's start with a simple project, okay? A single die offset cupping. We have cupping. No, let's select provisional crown or press the crown. Okay, press the crown. We will load what? Press the crown for 2 secs and 2 secs. The press the crown is 2 secs and the antagonist 3.5. Okay, load. Here, if we press here, will show us, wow, this page. We have here, here we can choose what the object we will create or we will design. In a crowns here, crowns and cuppings, anatomic crown, cupping, press the crown or whatever. Here the pontics and mockups. The pontics will mockups. Inlays, onlays, digital copy, milling, removable appliances. Here the full denture, partial denture, bite splint, and so on. Bars and residual dentition. Okay, here we have already chosen a project. We have already loaded a project, so it is chosen here. The press the crown and the material. Here we have a bar or choices to choose like zirconia translucent, zirconia multi-layer, and many materials. If you have different version of Exocad, the material here can be different, and these also can be different, and the options and parameters can be different. Here we choose overpress material, acrylic resin or PMMA, or wax, 3D print, or whatever. Which is important here is to choose the shade, A1 or A2 or A3, whatever we will choose according to the instructions of the doctor told us. Okay, and here also implant based, which here the software asks us ask us if the crown implant based, is it based on an implant? No. So custom abutment or screw retained or stock abutment or whatever. It's custom abutment, subtraction, stock abutment. Okay, stock abutment, and press OK. Okay, then all actions also are turned off because we haven't yet saved the project. We should save like that. Press save here above, and here all actions are turned on for us. Here the preview, 3D preview for the cost for the 3D model, which will allow us to design on it. Okay, here we press CAD. So as we see here, what CAD here the instruction, CAD construction, CAD, which stands for computer aided designing. We are CADing, so we will press design CAD. Okay, we press design and wait, be patient. Okay. Okay, it's okay here. And the next time we're gonna deeper in the software. So bye.